Hi, this is Teacher Viola for another teaching video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video to your family and friends who would like to improve their pronunciation and accentuation of the English language. To make the long E sound, the front part of the tongue is high in the mouth, lips are unrounded, facial muscles are relatively tense, like you are smiling. Smile and say, cheese, cheese. Let's try to practice some words. I will read the first column, and after me reading, please read the first column. Are you ready? Let's go. East, equal, even, eagle, eager, babies. Your turn. That's good. Let's do the second column. Again, I will read and repeat after I read the second column. Keep, need, please, need, these, cookies. Your turn. That's great. Let's go to the third column. Me, free, key, tea, she, chief. Your turn. Good. Let's go to the fourth column. Speech, scream, shriek, sunnies, beauty, teeth. Your turn. Now let's go to the last column. Belief, shield, shiny, gravy, dizzy, brief. Your turn. We're not yet finished. We have another set of words. This time, let's read it horizontally. I will read first. When I pause, you do the turn. Heat, till, reap. Sheep, well, meat. These, bean, meat. Rich, thin, neat. Keen, chin, peat. Steel, meal, each. Peach, wheel, measles. Green, lean, teacher. Meal, teen, leave. Meal, peep, week. You're doing great. Now, let's try phrases. Speak to the dean. Your turn. To the beat, to beat the cheat. Your turn. To eat the beet. Your turn. To sweep the street, your turn. Preach in the field, your turn. From the field, your turn. For the feast, your turn. Near the sea, your turn. Against the breeze, your turn. With priest, your turn. Weak knee, your turn. Green leaf, your turn. Meek priest, your turn. Clean teeth, your turn. These feet, your turn. Now let's have the sentences. I will read. Repeat after me. Number 1. We'll see the dean this evening. Good. Number 2. They'll receive a box of tea. Good. Number 3. The policeman caught the thief. Good. Number 4. The people seek peace. Good. Number 5. We eat a lot of cheese. Good. Number 6. Beat me when you're ready to leave. Number 7. Gina has a PhD from MIT. Number 8. Have a seat. Number 9. This isn't a meal, it's a feast. Number 10. I've seen Neil's Jeep. You're doing great. Now, let's try the passage. A flea and a fly. A flea and a fly flew up in a flue. Said the flea, let us fly. Said the fly, let us flee. So they flew through a flaw in the flue. I will read it again. A flea and a fly. A flea and a fly flew up in a flue. Said the flea, let us fly. Said the fly, let us flee. So they flew through a flaw in the flue. Your turn. Now I know that you're not going to miss your long E anymore. Just remember, it is like you're smiling and then say, E. That's why when we're taking picture normally, photographers would say cheese. Because when you say cheese, definitely you would smile. So the long E is a smiling vowel sound. So I will see you again in the next video. Bye!